Good afternoon everybody, welcome to Kingsbridge Automotive. Just thought I'd share this brand new bit of stock with you. We have here a 2-owner Misano Blue M235. This has got a huge spec, this car. So you have your tech pack, you have your M235 Plus pack, you have your comfort pack. It's one of the biggest spec cars we've seen here recently. 235s we do very, very well with here. We can go through 5-6 a month, but only because we find the right spec. Like I say, Misano Blue, got the panoramic roof, got the head-up display, it's got the heated steering wheel and the memory seats. That's all part of your comfort pack. The opening pan roof, wireless charging. Like I say, 2 owners from new, just been serviced in June, 1,500 miles ago. Makes all the nice pops and bangs. You've got the rear camera. It also has the reverse assistant, so it will park it for you. It's got the Harman Kardon upgraded sound system. That's lovely, just having that heated steering wheel, especially with winter coming. Don't say that in the summer. Lovely interior sections. The rear doesn't even look like it's been sat in. Quite rare in this colour. So here at Kingsbridge we can do finance for you. We can do hire purchase, we can do PCPs, we take in part exchanges. Everything has a value. Give us a call. We can do ceramic coatings, which is then a full 2-stage paint correction. Then that ceramic coating put on top. I don't think this one's going to last very long. Mainly because of the spec, but also the spec and the colour put together. Give us a call, make an appointment, let's arrange it for you.